I've done something that most people would probably call mad. I've just bought 3 derelict properties, 1 Georgian and 2 Victorian, all in a conservation area. These buildings have been empty for years. Developers have tried and failed. They've been through auction multiple times and nobody could make the numbers work, but I believe I can. So I've put everything on the line to prove it, including my own family home. I've got 12 months to bring these houses back to life, to turn them into beautiful apartments, to refinance them and to pay back the bridging loan before I lose my home. This is either going to be the best decision I've ever made or the most painful lesson of my life, but I'm backing myself and my team to do it. If you want to see whether we can save these incredible buildings, if you want to follow the wins, the mistakes, the stress and the graft, then hit subscribe, give the video a like and come along for the journey. We're going to need all the support we can get. Let's bring these houses back to life together.